Ever wondered if World War III could be stopped before it even begins? The answer might be buzzing right above our heads. I'm talking about drone technology. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drones in warfare? That sounds like the start of a problem, not the solution. But hear me out. Imagine a world where conflicts are resolved not with boots on the ground, but with eyes in the sky. Drones provide unparalleled surveillance, giving nations a crystal-clear picture of potential threats without risking human lives. This transparency can de-escalate tensions, verify treaties, and hold aggressive actors accountable before they can make a move. Instead of reacting to a full-blown war, we could proactively manage crises. It's about using technology for smarter, safer global security. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of peacekeeping. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more big ideas. Ever wondered if the next world war could be stopped before a single shot is fired? It sounds like science fiction, but the answer might be flying right above our heads. I'm talking about drone technology. Now, before you picture scenes from a blockbuster movie, think about this. Drones are revolutionizing surveillance and reconnaissance. They provide real-time, high-definition intelligence from anywhere in the world, without risking human lives. This incredible level of transparency can de-escalate conflicts before they even begin. Imagine world leaders having a clear, indisputable picture of troop movements or weapons buildups. This information can diffuse tensions and verify treaty compliance, essentially acting as a global peacekeeper. It's a powerful deterrent that makes surprise attacks almost impossible. So, could drones be the key to a more peaceful future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Have you ever wondered if the next world war could be stopped before it even begins? The answer might be flying right above our heads. We're talking about drone technology, and it's not just for cool aerial shots anymore. Imagine this. Instead of sending soldiers into high-risk zones, we send in swarms of intelligent drones. These drones can gather crucial information, monitor treaty compliance, and even de-escalate conflicts without a single human life on the line. They act as a powerful deterrent, making the cost of a surprise attack incredibly high for any aggressor. Think of it as a global neighborhood watch, but with advanced AI and high-definition cameras. By providing crystal-clear intelligence, drones can prevent misunderstandings that often lead to war. This isn't science fiction. It's the future of peacekeeping. Drone technology could be the key to ensuring a safer, more stable world for everyone. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.